Welcome to the virtual office training. Today we will solve the one of the Excel problem for date. If I type here 5 March 2024, it is not showing the 0 before 5 and it is also not showing the 20 before 24. How can we show this format look like this? Just select the cell and go to the number, and here is the option custom, and type here dd dash mmm dash yyyy and click OK. It will show the 0 before 5 and also 20 before 24. That's way we can solve the Excel problem. Hope this tip will be very helpful for you. Thanks for watching.